Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie. I post beauty related content here on YouTube. If they're the videos you love to watch, then please hit that subscribe button down below. Today we have an October makeup haul. So we're in November. It's crazy, isn't it? One more month and we're at Christmas and I have a holiday I could not wait for. But yeah, we are doing October makeup haul. It does not include Revolution. It does not include Colourpop because they deserved their own haul entirely. I have a huge box, as you can see from the thumbnail, and we're just going to get into it because I overspent in October, and part of it was from September as well because I filmed my September haul quite early. So first thing I bought was from our auction group in the group chat, which was the MAC face palette. I've always wanted this. It's got a bronzer, blush and highlight. I'm hoping it suits me because I had one from them from years ago. It's these three shades here, which absolutely I just swatched very badly. I got another Fenty palette. So you know I got the Fenty face palette. Well, now I have the Fenty eyeshadow palette. This is in Bomb Posse. So this is what the packaging looks like. It went down from 30 something pounds on Boots to £20 because Boots had like a code if you like an offer if you had an Advantage card. So I am going to be doing like a full face of Fenty soon. I don't have a foundation, I don't think, which is fine, but whatever I do have I will be doing for you guys. Then another bougie brand, we've got Huda Beauty, and I bought her Empowered palette because it's kind of the first palette that has really spoken out to me. It is so gorgeous, so luxurious, and I'm not going to touch it because I'm going to use it in a video at some point, which I cannot wait to get this on my eyelids. It's so rich in colour, which I love. Then I bought the Benefit face palette off of Depop. This was never used. This is the Air Goddess palette. I've always wanted one of these face palettes from Benefit. This is what it looks like. Oh, fuck. Alright, I dug my nail into it, but I didn't break it completely. They are magnetic, but they do fall out. So that was Georgia. We've got Dandelion, we've got Blaze, and we've got Solstice. This colour, I can't believe that just fell out. Actually, I can believe it. It happens in nearly every haul video, something falls out. Oh, it's not too dark. I'm sure you can build that up. I'm just gonna put that away for a little while. I finally got my hands on the 18W Natural Wonder Morphe palette. So a lot of this, I must admit, I haven't used just yet. It's like a sleek dusky pink palette, but just look at those colours. So I feel like this is going to be my everyday autumnal palette. That is literally what I've bought it for. And then we have a few like lipstick bundles because you know me, I love a lip swatch video. So I've bought the e.l.f. Hydrating Lip Balms because I saw someone do a video on these and I'm very excited to see how all of these look on the lips, and then I'm just going to give away some of these to friends and families and things. But yeah, so I'm very excited for that, and I had like a code off, so all of these cost me like 15 quid. Then I bought all the Technic liquid lipsticks, which I've already done a video on all of these, so if you want to see that, head on over to my video. That's just what they look like. There is 5 in the collection. Again, they had a 30% off code, so it cost me like £17. Then Technic brought out lipsticks, so I bought all of these. I'm actually going to swatch them after this video, but they're actually satin lipsticks. So there's 6 in the collection. They're £4. Again, they had a code for 30% off, so I'm very, very excited. And the packaging is gorgeous on these. We've got a couple more Morphe palettes. One palette that I have done a video on, which was absolutely stunning. This is a Cool Tone Lover's Dream. That is what the palette looks like, and that is what the inside looks like. Then we've got the 9G Sunrise Glow palette. I just thought I might as well collect them. Thought, why not? You know what? Why not? Well, to be fair, if that 9M palette was in stock on Boots, I wouldn't have bought this palette. And then I found where it was in stock and I'd already bought this one. This is what this palette looks like. Again, this is going to be a very nice autumnal palette to use. I've done a video on these, but these are the face palettes that Beauty Bay brought out. So this is the fairer one, which just looks like this, And then we've got the deeper one. So this is what they look like side by side. The fair one, dark one. Again, I did say in a video that I wish they just had like one more shade, because you can always do fair, medium, dark, or light, medium, dark, dark, deep, or something like that. I got 2 lipsticks from Primark from their new range. So this is the shade Barely There, which is a nice like berry neutral shade. And yes, my hand is covered in swatches because I just did a Revolution haul. And then this one is called Rich Red. Quite matte lipsticks. It's not red, it's more berry tone, but I love that. My friend at work gave me this Sleek Face palette that she's not using. She said it doesn't really suit her. There's 3 blush shades in it, and it's called Lace 367. Love these Sleek Face palettes, absolutely love them. I bought a nail paint in Cappuccino. This is from Barry M. I've been wearing this at work a lot. And then another colour that I bought from them was, I bought from Essie was Koi Pond, and that was a lovely burnt orange shade, and I'm about to paint my nails next with that, but I've left it in my room. Sephora has come to the UK, guys, so I've bought some Sephora stuff. They've kind of changed the name of Feel Unique's website to Sephora, so I think they've bought them out. And I bought a few products. So this is their blush in South Funiente, something like that. Anyway, that is what it looks like. If you want to see in-depth tutorial with all of these, just go onto my, it should be up by now. This is Flirt It Up Flirt It Up. Yeah, definitely check out my channel because I've probably got them up already. Then we've got a lip blush in Cuddle Time, which I'm not the biggest fan of these lip blushes. I need a lipstick from them instead. So that's what that looks. Well, you use the smallest amount, but you'll see in my video why. I bought a foundation. I bought the Best Skin Ever foundation, and then they sent me the glow version for free as well. So got 2 foundations, and this was really nice, like really nice. Shade wise, I got 21.5Y, and then this is 10 neutral that they sent me. 21.5Y is just a tad bit too dark, but if you take it down your neck, it's not too bad. I got all the MUA blush duos. Actually, I also got the new stylo pens as well, which are already in my collection down here. They bought out 13 of these and did a lip swatch video on all of them, which I believe is up already. So yeah, we got these MUA blushed matte duos. So this is in the shade Ginger. Then we've got the shade Clementine. That colour looks stunning. And then we've got the shade Peachy. Oh, some more Sephora stuff. So we got a Sephora highlight in the shade number 1, I believe. This is Delicate Glow. This was perfect for my skin. I feel like they need fairer ones for fairer skin tones, but that is what that looks like there. Perfect for me. Powder, love the powder. This is a pressed powder. I got it in the number shade medium, which is number 30. I bought 2 of their pocket palettes. I can't remember the names. The pink one is called Noon Light, and the dark one is called Warm Dusk. Couldn't actually find it on the packaging, so this is what they look like. That one, stunning. So you take this off and then you pull it out. And that is the Noon Night one. The rest of the shades of nail polish that I bought. So I've got Bordeaux, which is this nice red. Then I've got Island Hopping, which is this dusky pink shade. And then I've got Espresso, which is a dark brown, but I prefer Cappuccino more, which was a bit lighter. So that's Cappuccino, that's Espresso. Yeah, I just preferred this one more. Like I said, Cappuccino. Sorry, this one, Cappuccino. I did get the matte bronzer in Barley, which is meant to be medium, but this is just basically a face powder for me. It is not a bronzer whatsoever, so I'm either going to see if someone wants to buy it or use it as a face powder. I got some Rare Beauty sets, which I'm going to do some TikToks on. So we've got the mini lip duo, which has Humble and Humble in it, it says. I don't know. I've got the blush trio because I haven't got the shade Truth, but it's got Encourage and it's got Happy. So Encourage is big, Truth is, I believe, a small one, and then Happy is a small one. Happy is like one of their best sellers. Oh wait, okay, so this was the lip liner and lipstick duo in Humble and Humble. That's why, to match. And then this is the matte lip cream and the duo. Yeah, they're both matte lip creams. So this was their lip duo souffle. A couple of palettes. We've got the Beauty Bay Dark Fantasy palette. You know how much I love these limited edition Beauty Bay palettes. They're absolutely gorgeous, and that's what that one looks like. That black is to die for. Got the Berries palette too. Did a video on this one. That is what it looks like. Again, to die for. Oh my god, guys. I got the P. Louise Wedding Wish XL palette. This I managed to snag for £24 with a code. Look at that. It's like deep on one side, light on the other side. It's all the neutrals you need. And this row down here, I'm gonna have to do a video on this, but look how big it is. This is every neutral shade you need. So many mattes in there and just a few shimmers, so can't go wrong with that, can you? It's not a haul without a Mitchell blush bundle. He's actually brought out a flower collection or something. I'm not really interested in it. There's a couple of shades I like, but even this, when I swatched them, there wasn't like enough of them that I liked. I liked the packaging, but didn't really like all the shades. I hate how annoying boxes are to fucking open. Finally throw these boxes away. So yeah, you've got Cold Heart, you've got Party Pink. I feel like he's just got all the shades now. He needs to just do another collection of things. So that's Cold Heart and that's Party Pink there. Snatchural and Apricot Hot. Apricot Hot is that, I believe, and then Snatchural is that. I like this shade better. Lastly, we have one more. This is in the shade Teach 'em Peach, which is a nice shade there. So that's all of them swatched at the top of my hand. And then you got a free brush in the bundle, which I can finally now show you. I don't know what brush this is. It says MF I don't know, but I don't know what I'd use it for. It looks like something I could do concealer with, to be fair. But yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing what I can use this for. It might be blush. I don't know, what do you guys think? It's quite small. If it was blush, I'd want it to be a little bit bigger, but you know. From Sephora, they sent me a free lip pencil in the shade Pink Souffle, which is a lovely deep pink there. They also sent me a free brow pencil, which has a brow shade in, I think it was like charcoal brow, soft charcoal, and then it's got like a spoolie on the end. Spoolie is really nice. This product is really nice. You can really do like little lines and strokes with it right there. So yeah, I really enjoyed this. I'm hoping my Sephora video is up already. Because I bought all those e.l.f. things, they gave me 2 free products. This is a glow stick in Melanair, which is a jelly pop glow stick, which I'm going to actually open this up. That's very interesting. So it's just a stick. You get to choose what product you want. Oh, can you see that there? It's quite icy, but it's gorgeous. It's a very wet formula. Then you got a nice little clarifying cleanser. Then from Morphe, I bought this JH09 brush because I want it for highlights. 2 little samples from Sephora, I think. No, this was Rare Beauty. It's the Dr. Dennis Gross Daily Pill, which I'm excited to use. Milk Makeup Pore Eclipse Mattifying Primer. Then I got a sample of the Glowish Primer. This is from Sephora, and they sent a softer, smoother, advanced hydration little thing. I don't know what that is, but guys, they sent me a whole bag, Sephora, of free goodies when you did an order online. And let me just say, you're gonna have to watch the video because it is full to the brim. I couldn't even fit everything in there. There's even a Laura Mercier product in there. But yeah, that is everything I bought for the month of October that doesn't include Revolution or Colourpop. Please hit that subscribe button down below because we're getting so close to 2,000 subscribers. I did have a giveaway on my channel for October, which is now closed. The winner would have been chosen and contacted by now. But I'm going to do another giveaway for December, so stay peeled for that. And yeah, I will catch you in my next one. Bye!